My name is Clay Hendricks, and I'm a graduate of the TYG program. Before I started, quality of life, it was pretty rough for me. There were a lot of things I wanted to do that I couldn't: hiking, get outdoors, work out, things like that. So it was pretty difficult for me. The program, at first, it was tough. It was a tough adjustment because there were a lot of things I wasn't used to. But it got better, and it becomes part of your routine. And after that, it greatly improved how I lived every day. The results, they took some time for me. I didn't really necessarily see anything. I think part of that was dealing with the adjustment and dealing with the things like the caffeine headaches and things like that I would get because I'm a caffeine addict. I'm sorry. It took a while for me, but after about 2 weeks, I started to see changes and improvements in my lifestyle and how I felt on a daily basis. So it took a little while, but it came fairly quickly. Future of my health, absolutely. I mean, I always had concerns about, if I was going to be able to live a semi-normal life at any point, if I was ever going to be able to figure it out. And so I think that was a big driving factor of wanting to figure that out and having a framework for doing that. Do I feel more confident now? Yeah, I would say so. For not feeling like I'm tied to how my stomach is feeling or how I'm feeling each day, and having some options as far as what to do if I start to feel like I'm out of whack a little bit, and knowing that there's a process I can go back to and track back and try and figure out what's wrong. I think, yeah, I'm a lot more confident with how I can live each day. Biggest benefit was probably just the freedom I talked about, being able to go on hikes and get outside and do the things I love to do. Just being able to do that without fear basically was the biggest takeaway I had. My name is Clay Hendricks, and I'm a graduate of the TYG program.